After the data have been processed and organized comes the next stage of drawing the conclusions. Later, we will learn a variety of procedures, each of which will come with a specific way of drawing the conclusions. In general, this is the stage where we reflect on what was done in a study and discuss the significance of the results. A statistical significance is achieved in a study when we get a result that is very unlikely to occur by chance. A common criterion is that we have statistical significance if the likelihood of an event occurring by chance is 5% or less. Results are practically significant when the difference is large enough to be meaningful in real life. What is meaningful may be subjective and may depend on the context. As the next example will show, it is possible that some treatment or finding is effective, but common sense might suggest that the treatment does not make enough of a difference to justify its use or to be practically significant. Consider the following example. In a study of a weight loss program, 31 subjects lost on average of 2 pounds after 9 months. Methods of statistics can be used to show that it is unlikely to get these results by chance if the diet had no effect. Does the weight loss program have statistical significance? According to the last sentence of the report, the results are statistically significant. Does the weight loss program have practical significance? Well, would you spend any money on a program that promises that you'll lose 2 pounds of fat in the next 9 months? Me neither. So the results are practically insignificant. Pro-care industries once supplied a product named Gender Choice that supposedly increased the chance of a couple having a baby with the gender that they desired. In the absence of any evidence of its effectiveness, the product was banned by the Food and Drug Administration as a gross deception of the consumer. But let's suppose that the product was tested with 10,000 couples who wanted to have baby girls, and the results consist of 5,200 baby girls born in 10,000 births. This result is statistically significant because the likelihood of it happening due to chance is only 0.003%. So chance doesn't seem like a feasible explanation. That 52% rate of girls is statistically significant. But it lacks practical significance because 52% is only slightly above 50%. Couples would not want to spend the time and money to increase the likelihood of a girl from 50 to 52%. While ethics is not the main point or concern of the course, there are typically two ways in which statistics can be used for deception: evil intent on the part of the dishonest person, or unintentional error on the part of people who don't know any better. As responsible citizens, we should learn to distinguish between statistical conclusions that are likely to be valid and those that are seriously flawed, regardless of the source. We will look at some examples of deception after we learn how to organize and visualize data.